Hey, I'm Tommy. I'm the co-founder of El Masno, in charge of operations. And as a team, we are looking to build different concepts that are fun that we want to bring to Singapore and hopefully around the world. So the idea at first was to build a concept that was immersive and fun. And initially as a team, we wanted to do a food theme because in Singapore we love food and most Singaporeans are in love with what is possibly a national drink called bubble tea. So it's been very intense from the start and there was no benchmark for us to research on. We called the authorities and asked for feedback, like what kind of licenses we need, and people were sort of giving us confusing answers. What got us really excited just watching people walking through is that certain rooms, when they open the door, they just go wow. So I think we've created many touch points that gets people excited as well as being immersive. And when we talk about being immersive, it's how we get all 5 senses activated. The thing that really created interaction within our space is that we created 10 different collectible cards. And yeah, people actually hang around for 2 hours trying to find the 9th 10th card just to get a mystery gift from us. We wanted to experience the whole bubble tea journey whereby they go into somewhere that is very different yet related to bubble tea and come back to reality with a cup of bubble tea in hand. For me personally, the highlight was when this place was finally built. There was a lot of sometimes self-doubt when we were thinking about doing concepts and looking at 2D drawings, whether this would be realistic and whether this could even be built. And I think the day when this was built as a team, we were pretty surprised by ourselves as well with what we have done here. The 5 key things to have a successful project like this is, firstly, you need to have the right team that is always aligned with what you want, clear vision of what you want, yet be very flexible to changes. You need to plan. You need to plan for what goes right and what goes wrong. Number 4 is you need to find the right partners. And lastly, I think you need to make friends with people around you. By friends, I mean like even cleaners of the venue, the security around here, the estate people, because you never know when they can help you. Among my peers, you always hear people like, I want to do this, I want to do that, but they end up finding excuses for it. I don't have enough funds, I don't know how to do it. And for me, why I started doing this is that I just didn't want to have regrets with what I want to do. So if you're thinking to do your own business, find reasons for why you want to do it, and don't find excuses for why you can't do it. And just go for it. You never know where it gets you.